The kitchen is the heart of the home, and having the right tools can transform your cooking experience. This Gotham steel 14-inch nonstick frying pan, a large nonstick skillet designed for effortless cooking and cleanup. Known for their innovative approach to cookware, Gotham Steel continues to deliver with their 2023 upgraded version. If you're looking for a pan that combines durability, performance, and healthy cooking features, this frying pan might be your new favorite kitchen companion. Let's explore everything that makes this pan stand out and why it deserves a place in your kitchen. Why choose the Gotham Steel 14-inch frying pan? 1. Versatility. From breakfast to dinner, this pan handles everything: frying, sautéing, searing, and more. 2. Healthier cooking. Enjoy non-stick performance without needing extra oil or butter. 3. Durability. Diamond-reinforced coating ensures long-lasting performance and scratch resistance. 4. Convenience. Dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. 5. Safety. Free from harmful chemicals for worry-free cooking. Who should buy this pan? Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone just starting out, the Gotham Steel 14-inch frying pan is a smart investment. It's versatile, reliable, and perfect for anyone who values both performance and convenience. If you're tired of dealing with pans that stick, scratch, or fail to deliver consistent results, it's time to upgrade to this exceptional piece of cookware. Exceptional build quality. Gotham Steel has built its reputation on crafting high-quality cookware, and this 14-inch frying pan is no exception. Its aluminum core with a spiralized bottom ensures even heat distribution, eliminating annoying hot spots. Whether you're searing steak or preparing delicate omelets, the pan guarantees consistent results every time. The diamond-reinforced surface is a game-changer. It not only enhances durability but also prevents scratches, making the pan last longer, even with regular use. Revolutionary ceramic nonstick coating. The star feature of this pan is its triple-layer ceramic nonstick coating, which is reinforced with diamonds for ultimate performance. This advanced surface allows for the effortless release of food, meaning your meals slide right off the pan without sticking. Even better, you don't need to use oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking. Imagine whipping up a batch of fluffy pancakes or perfectly cooked salmon without worrying about cleanup. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Healthy and safe for everyday use. Safety is a priority for Gotham Steel, and this pan is no different. The Ti-Cerama coating is free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, ensuring that your cooking remains healthy and toxin-free. This makes it a perfect choice for families and health-conscious individuals who want peace of mind while preparing their favorite meals. Effortless cleanup. Cooking is enjoyable, but cleaning up afterward? Not so much. Thankfully, this pan makes post-cooking chores a breeze. Its non-stick surface ensures food residue doesn't cling, while the pan's dishwasher-safe design lets you toss it in for a quick wash. Even hand washing is hassle-free. A gentle scrub with soap and water is all it takes to keep it looking brand new. Stylish design and functional features. Beyond performance, the Gotham Steel 14-inch frying pan is a visual treat with its cream-white exterior and sleek design. It's the kind of cookware you won't mind leaving on the stove, even when not in use. The pan also features stay-cool handles for added safety and comfort, allowing you to cook with confidence. Final verdict. This Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick frying pan is more than just cookware. It's a solution to many of the challenges faced in the kitchen. From its innovative ceramic coating to its durable build, every feature is designed to make your cooking experience better. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a pan that combines style, performance, and health benefits. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.